to your week 1 conversation room assignment. So remember, every week on Wednesday, we are going to have a conversation hour. And the focus of our conversation hour this week is, what do we have in common? In common means that we like or we do not like the same things. It's a little like what we practiced on Monday. So we have that in common. So here's some ideas for our conversation hour. The first thing to remember is the Zoom room will open at 6 p.m. You do not need to come at exactly 6, and you do not need to stay the whole time. This is an activity where you need to come and do your task and help your classmates. If you are finished with your task, you can work on your writing, you can go eat your dinner, but we will all meet together starting at 6:40. So remember, please be helpful to your classmates, make sure you're listening, and bring your good attitude. If you have any problems, remember, you can always send me a text and I will come in and help. Okay, so your task. Task is something we need to do, usually not too big. So your conversation task, I want you to speak to 2 classmates and learn their names. I want you with those classmates to find 3 things that you have in common. It means, do you like, both of you like, or both of you not like. Be ready after the conversation to tell me who you spoke with and what you have in common with both your classmates. So before you get started, I think you will need a little grammar. So let's start with questions. So we are using today do you plus action word. An action word in English is called a verb. So I can say here, do you like? Like is an action verb. Do you like English class? Do you like pizza? Or I can use other action words. Do you go to the movies? Do you go to the store? Do you walk? That's an action word. I can also ask, do you walk to work? Do you walk to church? I can also flip this. All here are positive. Do you like? Do you go? Do you walk? But I can also here make a negative. Do you not like? Do you not like the rainy weather? Do you not like coffee? So remember, I can ask many questions. Do you plus action verb. Do you run? Do you ride a bike? Do you eat dinner before our class? So you might need a lot of questions to find 3 things with your partner, or you might find very quickly. Grammar for answers. So when you are working with your partner, you will need to listen when your partner is speaking. You will take turns. So when your partner is speaking, you can answer, "Yes, I do," or "No, I do not." "No, I don't" is also okay. Yes, I do. No, I do not. So if your partner asks, "Do you like to eat bananas for breakfast?" If positive, I can say, "Yes, I do like to eat bananas for breakfast." If my partner says, "No, I do not like to eat bananas for breakfast." So yes, I do. No, I do not. Remember, if it's negative, we need no, I do not. We need this double no. Okay. Remember, you are speaking with 3 people. So, not 3 people, sorry, 2 people. 2 people. And so when you are finished, you will need to write your conversation report. Your conversation report, you will do 1 for your first partner, 1 for your second. So you will have 2. And you will tell me, "I spoke with Andrew. We have 3 things in common. We both like to eat bananas for breakfast. We both like to walk to work." Both means 2 people. We both do not like coffee. So here, we both. Together, 2 people. We have that in common. If you want a little more practice and you are looking for an advanced conversation skill, you can ask a follow-up question. Why do you like to eat bananas for breakfast? Why? When do you walk in the park? When? In the morning? In the evening? On your lunch break? How often do you drink coffee? So if you want some more information from your partner, you can ask why, when, and how often questions. When you are finished with your conversation, remember you are speaking with 2 partners. Please write your conversation summary. 1 for first partner, 1 for second partner. So I want you please to write your conversation summary in your notebook, and when you are finished, please send to me a text message with a picture of your summary. All right, everybody. After this, you will see an example conversation where my speaking partner and I try to find 3 things that we have in common. But you will see my speaking partner is not on Zoom. I want you to use the Zoom room and talk to your classmates. Remember, if you have problems or you have questions, please text me. But also, please help your classmates, and again, use your good attitude. Okay, everybody, I will see you at 6:40 on Wednesday. Bye! Have fun having conversation. For today's conversation practice, we need to find 3 things that we have in common. But first, I need to ask my conversation partner, what is your name?
My name is Andrew.
Okay, Andrew. My first question, do you like to walk in the park?
No, I don't.
We do not have that in common. I like to walk in the park. Do you like coffee?
No, I don't like coffee.
We have that in common. I also don't like coffee. 1. Do you like chocolate ice cream?
Yes, I like ice cream.
Chocolate ice cream?
No, I don't like chocolate ice cream.
We don't have that in common. I like chocolate ice cream. Do you like to eat bananas for breakfast?
No, I don't like bananas.
We do not have that in common. I like bananas. Do you walk to work?
I walk in my house from my bedroom to my office.
Do you think that is walking to work?
Yes, I do.
Okay, I also walk from my bedroom to my office. We have that in common. We both walk to work. Okay? Do you have a cell phone?
Yes, I do.
We have that in common. I also have a cell phone. So we have 3 things in common. We both do not like coffee. We both walk to work. And we both have a cell phone. Thank you very much, Andrew. It was very nice to talk to you.
You're welcome.